welcome back to my channel. So long time no see. There was a lot actually that was going on, because of which I wasn't really active, but I promised to be active here more. And today it's going to be a Nykaa haul video, so if you're interested, please keep on watching. I got a couple of products a while ago. So yeah, this haul does not have any skincare products. So if you're looking for something like that, really sorry to disappoint you, but I have a lot of makeup products. So let's get started. First thing that I have here is this Too Faced lip injection Extreme. I wanted this since really long, like I think since the past 8 months, but it was out of stock, so I couldn't get it. This looks really beautiful. Like it has this iridescent, you know, like I don't know if you can see that. It has that iridescent sort of glitter, but it is not glittery chunks. And this is sort of you know, it's told that it's a lip plumper, which I really don't need. I don't need a I don't think so I need a lip plumper. Really sorry for the background noise, okay? It's just a lot of construction work going on eternally since forever, so I'm really sorry for that. So this, it doesn't have any glitter chunks. It's told that it plumps your lips, which I didn't really get it for. I just got it to be as a gloss, and it has that very fruity bubblegummy sort of smell. I'm not a fan of it, but yeah, it doesn't have any you know, like visible shimmer, or it doesn't have any like it isn't very sticky or anything. So it is a really good gloss if you're looking for. About the lip plumping part, I'm not really sure because I haven't really used it yet, but there would be a video coming soon wherein I would be trying it out and telling you what I think about it. This is MAC Retro Matte Liquid Lip Color, and this is in the shade, I believe, Dance With Me. That is what the shade is, right? Yes, so the shade is Dance With Me, and it's a beautiful red lipstick. Like, it's a beautiful red lipstick. So I will be doing, because you guys loved the you know, nude lipsticks video and showed a lot of love on that video. I'm really grateful. Thank you for all of the love. So I thought of doing my top 5 red lipsticks video as well, and so all of the lipstick that I ran out of, I restocked them for that. So this is a beautiful lipstick, and you will be able to see the lip swatch of it really soon in another upcoming video. What I get in my hand here is this Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour full coverage foundation, and this is in the shade 312 Golden. So this, again, I'm going to be trying it out for the first time. And I will, as I told you, I will be doing a makeup look and trying all of these out and letting you know my thoughts on these. I don't really think you really need my thoughts, but and my opinion, but बोलने को अच्छा लगता है, right? So the next thing that I got is, okay, so this is the Nykaa's Buff Master Silicone Brush Cleaner. So with me, I never used to clean brushes. Like, yeah, that sounds gross, I know, but what I used to do instead is waste my money. So basically what I mean is, I used to buy a lot of brushes. ठीक है, एक ब्रश का सेट लेती थी. I used to use it, and after a couple of months I used to replace it with another set of brush. These brushes were not really expensive. I used to generally get them from Amazon or Shein. I mean, जब Shein exist करता था तब. So that was not really you know, budget friendly. So I thought of buying good quality brushes, and I also thought of getting a brush cleaner so that I can get into the habit of cleaning. So this is how it looks like. This is very beautiful. Like, I really like the color. बाकी सब तो ठीक है, but it has different you know, sorts of bristles on it. So ये एक अलग pattern है, ये एक अलग pattern है. So I think it is really helpful to clean your brushes. Plus it has this, you know, socket wherein you can insert your hand and then, you know, like just hold it like this and then clean your brushes like so. So I think this is going to come in really handy for me. So I hope I get into a habit of cleaning my brushes. So the next item is okay. So this is the Kiko Milano 3D Hydra Lip Gloss. Now I am a matte lip kind of a person. I don't really like glossy lips a lot. Like, I'm not a fan of it. But off lately, like, you know, a lot of models or like a lot of influencers on Instagram were wearing like these glosses, and I was really attracted to those. I was like, let me try one. So I wore this actually on my lips today. I wore it on the lipstick Chai, and I mixed it with another lipstick, and on top of it I applied this. Now my thoughts on these are, देखो ये ऐसा दिखता है, ठीक है, wait, yeah, shade 18, alright, and I actually wanted the chestnut shade, but that was always out of stock on Nykaa, so I got this. Now my thoughts on these are, okay, it does have very tiny shimmer particles, like बहुत tiny है but still वो shimmer particles है, and also it has a very slight tint to it. It has a very slight champagne brown tint to it, and it is very sticky. So if you are not into really sticky kind of feel, obviously कोई नहीं होता होगा, but yeah, if you're not really into that vibe, then please stay away from this. Apart from it, I think it looks good, it looks beautiful, so no complaint apart from it. The next item that I have here is again a restock, my favorite, I guess everybody's favorite by now. This is the Nykaa's Chai, and I ran out of this lipstick, and that's the reason I got it. Alright, so I got PAC's Beauty Blender Sponge. As I told you, my habit with using makeup tools is not really healthy, so I wanted to get into healthy habits. So I got this, this comes in this like now क्या बोलते हैं pouch, right? I got this pouch, and then उसके अंदर these are these sponges, so soft, and like it's just so like of such good quality, because I've seen many other sponges, but I understand why there is a hype behind this. It's just so soft and squishy and just beautiful. Like I have two of them, so this is the one that has this round edge or a round shape, so like you can just bounce it on your face, and this has this slant cut, so if you have to put powder under your eyes, or if you have to contour it, this would be really helpful. So I think the shapes are beautiful, and it just works for me. The next item is okay, so I got brushes. As I told you, I always used to get these blush sets, and those were not really expensive, but the quality was good, like good enough. But I thought, let's invest in brushes that are of good quality, that can stay with me for really long, so that I don't have to keep replacing my brushes. So I thought of just getting the basic ones which I would require, and not just get everything, right? So I got this PAC's 231, and this is the very beautiful, like a foundation brush. You can also use it to powder your face, but for foundation it's of such good quality, like such good quality. So if you haven't tried PAC brushes, and if you are someone who loves makeup and you think you would be getting good use out of it in the long run, then you need to invest in PAC brushes, because they are affordable compared to other brushes, but they are of really good quality. So this is so dense and such like made of such good hair. It's just very beautiful. So this is the second brush. This is the PAC 272. This is a concealer brush. So I used to use my foundation brush for concealing as well. So when I used to use that, because the brush has a lot of surface area, if I'm trying to just blend and buff the concealer here, it also used to like automatically blend and buff everything here. So why that causes a problem is because if you've done your eyes first and then you're going to go ahead and do your base, so it just moves your eye makeup, and then that comes on to the brush, and then that transfers onto your face, and it's a mess. So I wanted a concealer brush, and this is just perfect because it's Shreya Jain approved. I don't complain. This is just really like dense, but also it's like really fluffy, and it's just very good quality. So this is the Real Techniques setting powder and highlighter brush. This is 402, I believe, and this is a very very soft, and like this is of a perfect size. Like it's you can apply your like highlighter with this. You can even apply blush, and it's just very perfect. So if you're like using powder to set under your eyes, it would be precise enough to just cover the area that you want and not go all over. And this is one of my favorites, like absolute favorites, is the LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade medium beige. So this is a restock or a repurchase because I ran out of it, and I love this concealer so damn much that on an everyday basis I just like apply it under my eyes and just on any other spots that I have to conceal, and that's all. It really does the job, and it's just perfect. For this is the Kiko Milano lip pencil, and this is in the shade 533. I believe this was hazelnut. I'm not really sure. So this is a very perfect like nude, like a little bit towards the mauvey brownish nude color. It's very smooth. The next thing that I have here is Huda Beauty's Tantor, that is the contour and bronzer contour and bronzer cream. So this is a cream to powder contour. So it is a cream based product, but it does set into a more powder matte sort of finish. So that is what I heard, like I'm not really sure. And this is in the shade medium. So I think the shade is, you know, absolutely perfect for like if you are my skin tone or a little darker or a little lighter. This shade is absolutely perfect. So once you have this is how you open it, and then there's the product. And then once you take this off, this is the you know, product. It is really you know, really buttery smooth and so well pigmented. Like I'll show you a swatch of this. So you can see this, it's a perfect you know, warm brown shade. Next I have a Smashbox lipstick, liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Boss. Again, a repurchase because of the video that's going to be coming up. So this is a perfect like red lipstick. You would see that in the video that's going to be coming up, so you would know how beautiful it is. It is very matte, like I wouldn't lie, it is very matte, but it does stay on long, so no complaints. The next thing that I got is this is the Pack Eye series brush set. So this is a set of, I believe, 8 brushes, and I got these because I really wanted to, because as I told you, I have those very you know, those very cheap, they're not cheap in quality, but then I have those brushes that are not very versatile when it comes to eye makeup. So I got this comes in a pouch like this, and when you open it up, this is how it looks. It has 8 brushes, and they are really, you know, multi-purpose and such good quality, like I won't lie, they have everything. So this is more of like this you know, flat but with a rounded edge. So it's really good to you know, apply your eyeshadow, or even you know, when you're buffing out the cut crease. This is another flat but, so this is another flat but you know, it's not that long. It's very sturdy. This is more of like a buffing brush, right? It is very fluffy, very you know, beautiful. And then this is another buffing brush with a more of a rounded edge. Is a more of a pointed edge, you know, fluffy brush. Sharp brush, so it can be used for the inner corner highlight, or if you want to just extend your wing and stuff, it is really helpful for that. And it's just so you know, like if you are into a lot of eye makeup looks, it's just so helpful. So yeah, you should try this out if you are into a lot of eye makeup. This is again a very beautiful brush for your eyeshadow placement, precise eyeshadow placement. It is very firm, it is extremely flat, and you know, it has a curved edge, so it is really good in placing your eyeshadow on your eyes, obviously on your eyes, but on the center of your eyelids basically. And unfortunately all of these do not have any numbers, so I can't really, you know, say that I got it in a set. Your favorite brush, because this has such an angle tip which is so helpful when it comes to, you know, creating really crazy eye makeup looks, or really, you know, versatile eye makeup looks. And then it has a spoolie, so it's a really helpful and a very good quality sturdy you know, makeup brush. So I absolutely love all of these 8. Thing which absolutely has my heart and my soul is this beautiful Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde palette. And when I got this, I was just like screaming because it's so beautiful, and I needed this since the time it launched, and I was finally able to get my hands on it. So this is how the packaging looks. Absolutely beautiful, absolutely stunning, and this is how the colors look. It has a mirror here. These are the shades. So pigmented, so beautiful, such good quality, and just, you know, one single stroke and you'll be able to get the best amount of, you know, pigment and color. So like I have just taken the least amount of product, and you can see how pretty this is. So yeah, that is all for the video. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and comment down below what other videos you want to watch, and I'll see you the next time. Bye bye.